boost or promote button for my post on X, which is Twitter. That is, once you are on your Twitter, you're supposed to find the option to boost your post or promote. Like some people find theirs on the side right here, and that because it's a old Twitter, like the post on how to boost has been recorded long ago, but for current time, like or recent time, you can't find it anymore. So what or how you can find that is for you to go to your dashboard. You can also find it in your phone. If you want to access it through the phone, you can also access it. So when you click on more, you will see ads, right? So once you click on this ads right here on the computer, you will see this section. It takes you to a different page. You can see this is no more the same page. It's a different page that's open, a different page, and you see this section here. What's your objective? Just like the way Meta does theirs. So you select the reach, the engagement you want, website traffic, keywords, research and others. So you click on engagement. For me, I'll just say that. Then you come, you describe your post just like the way you want to create a new tweet. You come and describe it, write a text about it, and if it has a picture or video, you can add there, or you can click on add media from the ones you've had before. So if like this, the post, like the ones I just posted some minutes ago, you click on that, it will be added to it. Or you can just come here and browse from your computer. So this is the one I selected from my recent post. So this is what you're going to be getting. You see promoted, right? Then once you've done all that, the next stage is now customize your delivery. Is it for business? Is it for personal? Yeah, you're just going to select personal. So you're going to fill out all this information right here. So I'm just going to fill this. Then you boost your post, and that's how you can boost posts currently. The new way to boost posts in 2024. I mean, as of recent time, unlike the previous way you see boost post on your post right there in your timeline. It's no more there. So guys, I hope this helped. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Smash like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.